Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So yeah, it's been a while. I've posted I think about 2 weeks short right now, but I'm really sorry about that because I've been kind of like really busy, so that's the reason why I haven't posted on my YouTube channel. Have you ever experienced when you're outdoor and you need to shoot with the actual frame rates, like when you're shooting 24 frames per second and you want to shoot with the 180-degree rule and you're having this kind of like really bright sunlight? There's really nothing you can do anymore, in which when you decide to bring your ISO to 100, you decide to put your aperture in about 1.8 or 1.2 or whatever your lens could go to, and your shutter speed in about 1/50th of a second, you discover the image is still looking blown out. So what do you do in this particular time? The only way in which you can actually still get a perfect exposure while still following the 180-degree rule is for you to use something called an ndfilter. Yes, I'm going to talk about an ndfilter today. Right now, I currently have an ndfilter on my camera right now. That's why you can actually see me looking this exposed, and I'm still shooting at a shutter speed of 1/50, aperture of 1.8, and ISO of 100, and I'm in this really bright sunlight, guys. This is really bright. And excuse me, I'm using my phone right now because I left my audio recorder somewhere else. I'm just trying to improvise anything for the video right now. You know, we all say exposure triangle, but this time it won't be an exposure triangle anymore. It's going to be an exposure square. Right now I have an ndfilter on my camera, and watch what's going to happen if I decide to take this ndfilter off. It's blown out. You can't see me at all. But watch what's going to happen when I put this ndfilter right on my camera. Can you guys see this? Yeah, I know you're still looking a little bit overexposed, but yeah, there, here. Watch this again. I'm going to like sun down the ND, and yeah, you can barely see me. So yes, I'm still shooting at same setting, but you can see the difference of using an ndfilter without using an ndfilter, guys. You can see the difference. No handy with an ndfilter. When you decide to now compensate with your shutter speed to go, maybe like you decide to like get the perfect exposure and increase your shutter speed all the way down to like 1/300, 1/500, so you can get the perfect exposure. At that time, that means your image won't look cinematic that way. You have really choppy image. You can't get any motion blowing your footage, which is definitely not cinematic. It's gonna look tacky. And okay, maybe if you decide to down compensate using your aperture, and you decide to use an aperture of, let's say, aperture of f10, then that means you've sacrificed having the bouquet at the background, and you know that's really sad. You know, this is what I was talking about when you decide to now like increase your shutter speed. So I'm increasing my shutter speed right now to about 2,500 of a second, and I'm currently having f1.8. This is how the image looks like. If I do any motion, you can see the motion is going to look really instant. There's not going to be any motion blow in my motion right now, and definitely that's not looking cinematic. Now I could decide to because I don't want to like deal with my shutter speed, I've decided to bring my shutter speed back to 1/50th of a second, which is the 180-degree rule. And now I've decided to now bring my aperture up. Now if I decide to do that, watch what's going to happen to the image. I'm currently at an aperture of f16, and you can see the background looking very in focus. You can see the background in focus, so there's really no separation between me, the subject, and the background. This little thing right here, the ndfilter, is going to work magical. Please, I need to slap this on so I can have a separation in my image right now. Okay. So yes, guys, I just placed the ndfilter back on, and you can see the difference. This is the struggle of shooting outdoor. You can hear the police siren. Anyways, guys, so the ndfilter is back on, and you can see how the image looks creamy. You can see the bouquet in the background. You can see me popping out from the back, although yeah, I'm facing the sunlight right now. So guys, the ndfilter can really work magic for your videos. If you're trying to like create really cinematic videos, you need to get an ndfilter. So in other words, people say an ndfilter is sunglasses for your camera. Don't cut out that light. And yeah, guys, there are different type of ndfilter, like variable ndfilters, and we have the should I call it just a normal ND filter? I guess that's what I'm going to call it. So the variable ND filter is a filter in which you can actually increase and reduce the stop of lights just with one particular ND. That's one particular neutral density filter. So watch this. I can decide to like darken the image, brighten the image all at the same time. This is a variable ND filter. That's what it does. You just get one particular ND filter, you slap it on your lens, then you can do all those changes if you want. Man, I'm talking really much today, guys. So you get the normal ND filter in which they have different stop. There is ND4, there's ND8, there's ND16. So but that one I don't like that type of ND filters, because the reason why I don't like them is you have to like now start going through the stress of putting one ND filter after another just to get the perfect exposure you want. So that's quite stressful. I rather get the variable ND filter than get step up rings or step down rings for my lenses. So I could decide to get the largest ND filter of him, like 77mm thread, get step up or step down rings to place on each of my lenses, then use just one particular ND filter all through my lenses. All of this stuff I'm talking about will be in the link or will be in the description down below. I hope you guys have been able to learn something in just this long video. Kindly like, share, subscribe and comment on my channel, and stay safe, guys. Cheers.